I recently did a video on the SEMRush Keyword Difficulty Score explaining how I use it and why I like it. But this morning I was doing some keyword research and I kind of ran across one area where it fails, or at least throws you a curveball that I wanted to share with you. But first, let's talk about how the SEMRush Keyword Difficulty Score is calculated, right? And you can see on this page right here, what's the SEMRush Keyword Difficulty formula. I'm not going to go through it all, but the top two factors or parameters are median number of referring domains for ranking URLs, 41.22%, and then the median authority score for ranking domains, 16.99%. So those are basically backlinks, and if you add the two of those up, we can see that backlinks equal over half of the weighting for the keyword difficulty score. So it is largely dependent on backlinks. Now, SEMrush also has a competitor in this space. You might be familiar with them, Ahrefs, and on their page explaining the keyword difficulty score, where is it? Keyword difficulty right here. They go into explaining how they do it, and basically, where is it? It is basically, if we go through this, they basically say backlinks are a very big weighting factor. So the keyword difficulty scores are heavily relied on backlinks. All right, we know that. That's kind of what they publish. Well, let me show you an example here where this really kind of throws you a curveball and fails. To find an example here, I just kind of pulled up the New York Times Wirecutter, what used to be wirecutter.com, a site that publishes awesome high quality reviews on all kinds of things, I guess particularly electronics, which is a big broad niche. And I went in here and using my methodology I was covering yesterday, I said, hey, let's go keyword difficulty score 30%. And I picked out one of them, which was best treadmill under $1,000. Has a keyword difficulty score of 30, search volume of 3,600, right? So by these metrics, this looks like a very, very, very good keyword to target. But interestingly enough, the Wirecutter is only ranked 46th for this, right? So they're publishing a piece on best treadmill. I guess they're not targeting best treadmill under $1,000 specifically, but still they publish very high quality content. If we were to open this up, and you might already know this, but Wirecutter, actually gets these products and tests them. Oh, wow, it looks like they're putting a email address wall behind it. So I'm not going to go through the email wall at the moment, but you can go to Wirecutter. You'll find the reviews. And you probably already know this if you're here, but they actually get the products, test them, and publish very high quality reviews on them, right? So for them to be 46th for something is just kind of uncommon. Even if they're not specifically targeting it, it is very uncommon to see them very low. And we see this, on all of them, I guess. They're rather low on all of these ones for low keyword difficulty scores. That's partially because they're targeting high value keywords, right? We can tell from best treadmill under $1,000, they're targeting best treadmill, not so much the under $1,000. But anyways, let's look at the search results for that. Since, we're establishing that this is an easy to rank for keyword, let's look at the search results for best treadmills under $1,000 here, right? Now, what we see is every headline in the organic results has the keyword in it, every title tag. Best treadmills under $1,000, best treadmills under $1,000, best treadmills under $1,000. Again, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to go until we don't have it in the title tag. 12, 13, 14, 15 right here. So, the top 15 spots have it in the title. So that means there's a lot of people actively targeting this keyword and publishing content on it. And, obviously content's going to be of varying qualities. But I would guess that some of these companies are publishing some pretty high quality content. I don't know. Let's just see the top two. This looks like it's decently well written, although they didn't, go out. They clearly didn't go out and buy these products and get them tested. Another one looks like pretty well written type of piece, but they didn't go out and actually buy them. So, I'm guessing Wirecutter and these companies that would actually go out and buy these, because if you're going to buy treadmills for under $1,000, they're all going to be right up to $1,000. You don't have to spend 10 grand on treadmills and take a lot of time in doing this. I'm guessing that if you're going to do that, you're going to go for what Wirecutter's doing here with going for best treadmills altogether. But at the same time, these are published on very high authority domains. They're mediocre content, mediocre to good content, but not great. But the big thing is that they are actively targeting this keyword, meaning that if you're going to come in here and target it, your content has to be like super stellar and better than them, right? Which is going to be difficult to do. So the keyword difficulty score here, yeah, it's weighing and relating the value of the backlinks, but nobody's really linking to these best treadmill under $1,000 pieces. But that doesn't necessarily mean that high value domains are not targeting and producing content to rank for those specific keywords. So keep that in mind when you're doing keyword research.